Picture this: your clients soaking up world-class training, leveling up their skills, and singing your praises. Meanwhile, your profit margins skyrocketing like a SpaceX launch. And you're barely breaking a sweat. That's not a fantasy, that's Atlantic's Reseller program. We're not just throwing you a bone, we're handing you the whole dang buffet. We've got the content. Think OSHA compliance, HR gold mines, soft skills that turn employees into superstars. We handled the LMS, that sleek white label platform you can call your own. And support? We're your backup crew, your personal cheer squad. Custom courses? Yeah, we build those. Wholesale pricing? We're talking margins so good you'll think you're printing money. A library so vast, it'll make you feel like a training legend. Don't just take our word for it. Click that link, fill out the form, and find out for yourself. You're not in the business of almost success. You're here to dominate. And we're here to help you do it.